This is a short story. A mother loving her baby bird. The bird in its shell ready to hatch and wondering if I'm ready to face the sky, the trees, and the ground. When he sticks his little beak out of his shell and he looks around at his brother and sister and says, "Where's my mother?" One said, "Right over there." I said, "Where?" She yelled, "Here, looking for the enemy in the world." And she turned around and says, "Where's my little baby girl?" She flew. She soars. She said, "I'm not going anywhere, even though you can't fly. You will learn to fly. I'll be here and feed you and protect you until you learn to fly away, my son. When you come back, I'll be right here to stay. I'm not going anywhere. I love you."